is Hans, the Ramen Raider, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. Today I've got one that came by way of James, Lakeside, California. This is Sugakiya Nagoya Kishimen, and I've never had this before. Pretty cool. But yeah, let's see what we got here. It only takes 1 minute to cook, so I'm like really confused about this stuff, so we shall see what's going on here. Everything's in Japanese. I'm really unsure what to do. It's got a drain spout, so it's definitely not a wet, soupy noodle. So that's gonna go for a minute. So, it's January 7th right now, the day after the anniversary of the insurrection. Happy day after that. And, yeah, so Omicron's everywhere, and it's wacky and crazy and wild stuff. The place where my wife works, she checks people in for appointments, primary care, and then there's an urgent care attached to that. And all anybody wants are COVID tests right now. And I guess what they have to do is people will show up, yeah, I need a COVID test. Yeah, I need a COVID test. And they're just like, you'll get like 30 people in a row. Or 60. I think she mentioned at one point there was like 60 people in line. And that means you're gonna be waiting 3 hours to get seen just to get swabbed. I mean, that's crazy business. So people are going anywhere and everywhere to get that done. That's pretty hardcore. But nobody's having any luck getting appointments because, well, nobody seems to want to work, which I don't understand. Thoroughly confused about that. It's like, how can you not? It's like Corona happened and then nobody wants to work anymore. It's like, how do you pay your rent? I don't know. I know what this is. This is bonito flake. This can't be right. I can't be doing this right. Maybe you add in some water? Cold water? I don't know. I should set up my other little Echo device and be able to ask it questions. I could. I've got another one. I could set it up like right out here. That would mean we've got one. That would mean we'd have 3 Echoes set up in the house. We're kind of like really all over the whole Amazon thing. We got a lot of Amazonian stuff here. Let me look at the picture on this. I don't see any broth. I must be doing it. I must be doing it perfectly right. I hope. Oh, there, slugger. Okay. I'm gonna put this on here so you can see. This Japanese variety get gussied up. It's interesting. It's got a little bit of tofu in it, I think, and very strong, very salty. Not my favorite, but interesting. The noodle is very soft. I mean, if you cook this for more than a minute, you'd be really in trouble. Your name is Mimi, it's not Blueberry. We're not one of those crazy people that names their kids something ridiculous. Wouldn't give me an apple either. slab of that. Come on, Sparky. Let's see what you can do for us today. This is why I wanted this thing, because I was thinking it would work really well with chashu. Yeah, I don't know. Nobody's burnt or dead. That got a little bit of color to it. I don't know. I don't want to cause any like untold destruction or pain or damage. But I must say, what I've read is that, oh, don't get one of those little kitchen torch dudes. Just get a regular blowtorch. I'm like, ah. Then I looked around, I was like, what about a surface to use this thing on? Yeah, that's katsubushi. Fish flake. Which I like. I like it in a nice big pile like that, too. One trick pony time. I feel like this was supposed to be rinsed or something, but I don't know. I don't know anything about this, and I didn't take the time to ingratiate myself in the ways of the Kishimen. So, if I've made this completely wrong, that was my doing, and I apologize. So. That's, you know. Cool, thanks again to James from Lakeside, California for shooting this over. Always finding stuff that I haven't tried. I really appreciate it. The next one we got up is from Asha Foods USA. This is Hello Kitty chicken noodle soup. We'll have my daughter on the show to show off her baby alive. Yeah, it poops. It does poop. We're not going to let it poop. We're not going to make a big mess because it has blowouts. Anyways, Manon's the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.